Are you looking for the best hair clipper? In this video, we'll break down the top hair clippers available, whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best hair clippers on the market, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Oster Fast Feed Adjustable Pivot Motor Clipper. Need a super easy set of hair clippers that you can use as soon as you step out of the shower? We seriously suggest these Oster clippers. These are easy to clean and even easier to use. The pros with this set of clippers are screamingly obvious. These Oster hair clippers are super quiet and lighter than most clippers. More than that, the three-dimensional pivoting head does an amazing job at cutting wet or dry hair. It's great at cutting through thick hair. Give it a go on that fro, you won't be sorry. It all boils down to the powerful motor, which has the added benefit of not heating up too quickly. All of this is cased in a thick and firm, but textured casing that's able to withstand a few clumsy moments. The blade adjusts easily through the comfortable side lever to control a fade decently. Plus, you can get a short buzz cut without adjusting the blade. And you get all of this at a more than reasonable price. This is really a home use model, but even pros call it semi-pro. It's somewhere in the middle. We maybe would use it in a barbershop, but if you only pull it out professionally every now and again, you could get away with it. The high-quality stainless steel blade adjusts from 0 to 1 inch. There's an adjustable lever, so you won't need to manually change them out. You shouldn't need to replace often either, as long as you take care of your clippers and blade. The 12-amp whisper quiet pivot motor is twice as powerful as a magnetic motor, and you'll know it by the lack of both sound and heat. In addition to the clipper, combs, and blade, you also get a blade guard, cleaning brush, and lubricating oil, all of which come in handy. You should expect to pay less than $70 for this. We've seen it as low as $58 recently on Amazon, but it normally sits closer to $65. As an added bonus, there's a 1-year warranty included with this middle-of-the-road set of clippers. At number 2, we have the Wahl Color Pro Complete Hair Cutting Kit. These Wahl hair clippers for men are perhaps one of the best deals you're going to find. In addition to the brand name, you're going to get everything you need in one box. All of the attachments are color-coded to make it easy to use this machine. You will need to do a little unscrewing to clean out the oil and blades, but it's not a whole lot of work. There are a few users that have reported issues with these Wahl hair clippers out of the box, but it appears that the manufacturer is responsive and ready to make the Wahl experience a pleasant one. Now, you won't get a super long cord, but you do get a 5-year warranty. Also, keep in mind that you'll need to work on those fades and blends for a long time before they heat up. Luckily, these clippers are good at that. This self-sharpening, high-carbon stainless steel blade is precision ground to last longer than other blades. You shouldn't need to replace it for years. You can adjust the blade length with a side taper lever. The high-speed, relatively heavy-duty power drive motor allows for a clean, no-snag cutting experience. Expect a small bottle of blade oil, a barber comb, a styling comb, a pair of scissors, plus a blade guard and ear trim guard, all tucked into a solid storage case. You'll pay $20 to $25 for the complete set, and you get a 5-year warranty with that, which is pretty freaking amazing. At number 3, we have the Oster Classic 76 Universal Motor Clipper. These professional hair clippers from Oster take the care when it comes to smooth cutting, even on thick hair. They're made to last as they're made from Valix material. They use detachable blades which have an antimicrobial treatment to make them more hygienic for use on different heads. The blades are easy to remove for cleaning, and you absolutely want to do that regularly. Many of the reported issues with these are due to lack of maintenance, but all parts are serviceable and replaceable. There is also a clip for hanging, and the on-off switch is very easily accessible. Although these are professional hair clippers, they are super easy to use, and they cut through thick and wet hair efficiently. But you should know that they're on the heavy side. They're hardly the quietest hair trimmers either. And then there's the price. Still, they're totally worth it if you take head shaving seriously, and it never gets hot in your hands, even if you're using it constantly. These clippers use detachable blades, and you get 2 antimicrobial Cyrogen X blades, the 000 and the 1. You'll need to swap these interchangeable blades out to achieve different lengths, though you can use the guards if you don't need a whole lot of variation. The blades do detach easily with just a screwdriver, and you can purchase additional blades. The heavy-duty single-speed universal motor holds up under all-day use. It may not be the quietest out there, but it's not going to have a meltdown. You also get a blade guard, lubricating oil, clipper grease, and a cleaning brush. Yes, this is one of the most expensive hair clippers, but it's designed for professional use. And while it isn't included in Prime, it does come with free shipping. At number 4, we have the Remington HC4250 Shortcut Pro. These clippers are for home use and may look a little short and stubby, but that only makes them easier to hold while giving yourself a haircut. And if you are really planning to do it yourself, you should consider these as they're very good at doing so. And as silly as the shape is, that along with the rubberized grip gets the job done. Now, they aren't great for the longest or thickest hair, but the wide blade does cut smoothly. Besides being compact and lightweight, they're almost stupidly easy to clean. You can just run these clippers under the faucet, and all the attachments removed for faster and easier cleaning. The lithium battery doesn't last terribly long, but it is sufficient for an all-over trim, especially given that the combs don't allow for a long tailored cut. And by the time you factor in the price and everything that comes with these hair clippers for men, you'll see the obvious value for money here. This is cordless for easy maneuverability, though you can use it with a power cord if you need. The extra-wide, precision-ground, stainless steel curved blade allows you to cover plenty of area quickly and comfortably as it contours to your head. As long as you maintain your clippers, this blade will last for a long, long time. The lithium battery lasts for 40 minutes, but needs a 4-hour charge. That said, it does provide quite a kick, though the internal motor really isn't strong enough to cut through super long or thick hair. You'll get a cleaning brush, lubricant oil, and charging adapter, along with all the combs and clippers themselves, and it all fits inside the included carrying case. The MSRP for this set is $60, which is quite a reasonable deal for what you get, but you can sometimes find it on Amazon for $50, and it comes with Prime shipping. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the Wahl Professional Balding Clipper. These clippers don't come with a lot of bells and whistles, but you shouldn't really expect a lot of frills from a set of hair clippers obviously aimed at creating bald looks. However, these clippers are very good at what they do. It's even good at the things other clippers tend to compromise, like its average weight and size, its average sound level, and the easily accessible blade level. These cut quickly, they cut cleanly, they don't cost a fortune, and they'll last for a very, very long time. Need we really delve deeper? Didn't think so. The 2105 surgical steel 6x0 blade is really quite sharp and can cut your hair somewhere between 0.1 and 0.2 millimeters. The strong V5000 electromagnetic motor operates at 120 volts 60 Hz. It's plenty powerful, and while it's no quieter than other motors, it's also not louder. These balding clippers come with a small bottle of blade oil, a red blade guard, and a cleaning brush. These are wonderfully affordable at less than $50 with Prime shipping, and they'll last a lifetime if you take care of them properly. So that sums up our top hair clippers of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.